Hey friend, so one day I was thinking about how best to celebrate hitting over 100 subs, and before I knew it, it was like over 200 and now over 250. And just one day I was traveling around and I thought I could write a song. And so in the car I was sitting in, I started to write down some lyrics, and then I thought, okay, I'll just go home and record this. This is not a high quality song. I can't even say it's really a song, but hopefully it gives you a sense of my gratitude and how much fun it's been being on this journey, even though it's only been really a couple of months. Language learning in this kind of community format here via this channel. So I hope this makes you laugh and that it brightens your day. Hola, buenos días, ¿qué tal? Hola, buenos días, ¿qué tal? Bienvenido a mi canal. Eres mis amigos y juntos vamos a hablar otros idiomas, compartir historia, contar de amor. Ni hao, ciao, Sheita Dani, salut, comment ça va? Hajime mashite. Rosnel oni gaishimas. Quiero ayudarte lograr tus metas. Vosotros sois mis amigos. Gracias, te agradezco mucho. Escribí esta canción en el coche un noche. Ahora, cuando estoy leyendo la canción es interesante, ¿no? Pero todas las palabras será al lado de mi cara en la pantalla y puedes leer y no sé cómo se dice exactamente, pero disfruta este parte de mi corazón y muchas gracias. Todo este viaje ha sido interesante, especialmente con todas las personas que escriban no, I don't really know how to say it in Spanish, but in the comments area. And thank you for bearing with. Thank you also to todas las personas que han convertido a suscriptores en el último mes cuando no compartí nada de videos. It's been fun. And I'm super pumped to keep going in the future with lots of ideas. So please stay tuned and subscribe if you want to see a little bit more into into the world of being a language learner while learning full time, and you want to see more tips and tricks about how you can accelerate your language learning journey. Hasta luego. Don't forget to sign up for the giveaway on my last video. Thanks for watching. The YouTube algorithm thinks that you might like these videos, so why not check them out?